Disgusting, that is the word of the day. Things that are not appealing.
That was in my nose.
Wow.
Blackheads are the bane of my existence.
Blackheads are the death of me.
They're always there no matter how much you like wash your face.
Blackheads are the worst. They're pretty bad.
Today we're going to try to extract our blackheads.
In 3 different ways.
Dun 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 dun.
Professional home spa skincare expert.
Comido?
You guys know I like reading the directions.
We got different tips, different sizes.
Change the microcrystalline probe.
Wait, I want to try this on my hand first. I'm kind of scared.
I don't know.
Probe.
Ooh,
They're like,
Oh, inside to outside.
This thing is strong.
I think I'm making marks on my skin.
It's like,
I see a little bit of dirt coming.
She has a little bit of dirt. I have a lot of bit of dirt.
oh, crash test beauties.
Ow, ow, ow.
It's definitely capturing stuff now, so I could see it.
Am I doing something wrong?
I don't know if I just like don't have blackheads or
Nick with the perfect skin.
And you can increase the speed, which will suck your brain out.
So I guess the harder the tug, the better it works.
I needed to get everything out. Now I have like a happy face line above my eyebrow.
Product number 2.
Ooh.
almost looks like tweezers.
Dangerous
These
looking
are
tools.
so pretty. These are giving me life.
It looks like that stuff that those tools at the dentist.
Yeah.
I'm going in with precision.
I'm honestly scared. These look very dangerous.
So I see everything.
Yeah, this is definitely better.
And yeah, it's one by one.
This allows me to grab skin that I couldn't necessarily get with my fingers or my tweezers at home.
This is gross.
If I had these at home, I could never stop doing this.
Old school way of doing it, but it does work.
There's like all kind of skin and blackheads on these tweezers.
When I got this job like a year and a half ago, I would have never thought I'd be popping blackheads on camera.
I am definitely taking out blackheads.
That was in my nose.
Wow.
Now we're going to face mask, and my favorite. I'll let Katie have the first choice.
I'll just do this one, this little one right
The
here.
black mask?
I really like the Créme shop,
She's
so
like-
I want to try this one.
Designed to target toxins and draw out impurities instantly.
The result, happy, flawless skin, and a long line of 10s waiting to get up close and first. Okay.
All right, we're single, let's do this.
Ooh, it's like really thick and cooling.
A little bit of face painting.
This smells really good.
Honestly, after picking at my face, this feels refreshing.
Most masks like smell kind of like chemical-ish, and it smells very refreshing, like it has natural herb.
How you doing, Nick?
Pretty good. Pretty good.
You can be generous with a little bit. Thank you, Cole.
It is peeling time.
I can hear it.
Dry, a little stiff.
Really tight.
Oh, he's already doing it.
I could probably do it without my hand.
Can you hear it?
Yeah, I can hear it. Sounds like it's ripping your skin off. I look like Phantom of the Opera.
It didn't feel that bad. Like you said, it felt like tape coming off your face.
Mine was really easy to peel off. It didn't hurt at all.
This works though, because if you look at it,
Yeah, you got a lot.
it took a lot of things. Nick.
My whole face feels like really clean and fresh.
Most effective was the tweezers.
'Cause I love a good facial mask.
My favorite would be the mask.
I would recommend the mask to everyone, especially for people with like oily skin, because it'll really like draw everything out and then make it feel, you know, nice and refreshed after.
Skin feels pretty good right now. Unlike the tweezers where your skin kind of gets a little bit irritated.
I would be careful with the tools because you can sit there for like 6 hours
Yeah.
and just like attack your face and see things that aren't there. Mask definitely is like me time spa. You can let it dry, you can dance.
Yeah, if you want to pamper yourself, go for the masks.
Right?